We spend a large portion of our life cleaning dishes and washing clothes, so why not make it a little bit easier, while saving a little cash and as much water as we can along the way. Hi, I'm Shayna from Choice, and I'm here to present our expert tips that will help you get the most out of your washing machine and your dishwasher. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to know when more videos like this come out. Alright, let's get to it. Our Choice experts all agree that using a modern dishwasher on a full load is more water and energy efficient than washing your dishes by hand. So it's a win-win on you saving time and money. Use this clever and cheap hack to remove soap buildup and odors, and give your dishwasher a little TLC so that it lasts as long as it should. Pour about 1 cup of vinegar into the bottom of the unit or into a bowl on the top or bottom rack, then run the machine through a full cycle with no dishes or detergents. Our expert testing has found that rinsing your dishes or you put them in the dishwasher doesn't make a difference on how clean that they will come out at the end. But of course, do scrape off the food scraps and residue before putting them in the dishwasher so that it doesn't clog up. Run out of dishwasher tablets and detergent? We found that many recipes for DIY dishwasher liquids and natural alternatives don't work very well. What might work if you're desperate though, is turning the temperature up and doing a cycle with plain water. Our extensive tests show that this will still clean lightly soiled dishes. Sick of wasting money on expensive dishwashing liquid? Don't worry, our experts have put 44 dishwashing liquids to the test to find out which are the best. And their hack? Go to Aldi and buy their Tandil Ultra Antibacterial Dishwashing Liquid. Our top scorer is also budget friendly and costs just slightly more than the Aldi liquid, called Ultra Advanced Power Soak Line, which scored 90% and costs 42 cents per 100 milliliters. Tip number 6, explore new ways to use it. Once you've got your cheap and effective dishwashing liquid, explore all the other things that you can clean with it. It's great for cleaning windows, just mix with warm water and a drop or two of rinse aid, and for removing light stains from clothes. It also takes care of grease stains on fabrics. You can also use it to wash makeup brushes and hairbrushes, and it works wonders for cleaning and shining jewelry. Mix with a little soda, then soak and scrub with a toothbrush. You'll get pretty much the same cleaning power from a cold wash as from a warm wash, but you'll use far less electricity and save yourself over $100 per year in the process. So a cold wash can help you get a good clean. Try this affordable hack to reuse gray water from washing clothes to save yourself water. Rig up a hose from your washing machine and feed it outside to collect in a tank, or as our clever Choice staff member Alice did, in a wheelie bin. Then you can use the water on your garden and save hundreds of liters in the process. Brighten your clothes and whiten your white without using expensive and non-eco-friendly bleaches with, yes you guessed it, vinegar. Try adding about 1 cup of vinegar to your load. Vinegar is also a great alternative to fabric softeners, which are expensive and damaging to the environment. Commercial washing machine cleaner is just expensive and largely unnecessary. Keep your washing machine clean and in good working condition with this simple trick. If you regularly wash in cold water, run the occasional very hot empty cycle with just a bit of good quality detergent in the dispenser, and it'll keep scrod at bay. Although you can safely avoid washing machine cleaners, don't be tempted to use other products instead. Anyways, that's all on today's video on washing hacks that'll save you time, money, and water. I hope that it's helpful and helps you save money. For more tips and tricks like this, do make sure you check out our website at choice.com.au for more articles. And be sure to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one.